You can really feel the temperature difference out here. Melting snow is such a pain. It'll probably take me 45 minutes to get this snow melted and up to a boil. I've got some nutmeg and fennel seed we're gonna put in there as well. A little white vinegar. All right, gonna let that simmer. I just got a weather alert on my phone. It's supposed to be a blizzard warning tonight. We'll see what happens. It's gonna be a lot of snow. We're gonna go ahead and add the lamb meat at this point. Add some carrots and loads of onions. Spice things up with some jalapenos. Hey, does it smell like burning feathers in here? Yeah, it does. Reaching for a piece of wood and I brushed against the stove. Ugh. That's the big downside of these hot tents. You're in a very confined space with a very hot item. Stuff gets burned all the time.